Welcome back to the channel. On today's video we're gonna have a three-part video, and as you can see we're at the house of the Acura and we are looking to get the Turbo Wax products a new ride. We've been out there looking at all kinds of cars, from the Fords to the Volvos to Maseratis and everything in between, and we have come down to the best deal here at the Acura dealership in Pembroke Pines, Florida. So we will be getting into some type of something. So we're gonna scroll all the way to the parking lot and see what are our choices. And the video is going to be about the new car preparation. We will purchase a car. The car will be untouched, and we're gonna do a purchase for the video, and then we're gonna do an evaluation of the condition, and then eventually we're gonna ceramic the vehicle with all the Turbo Wax products. So we're gonna pull the wheels out, we're gonna do the ceramic on the exterior, ceramic on the interior with a new product that we have coming up, and everything in between. So right now, a day like today, we don't know which vehicle it's gonna be, but we have narrowed down to a few choices. So we're gonna hop over there and see if we can make up our minds. Right, so we have made it to the lot and we finally made up our mind, and we will get for the Turbo Wax products new company car, a Acura RDX, and we have right here on the black, and then we have here on the white, and then we have here on the blue, and then we have here on the other side the red one right here, and these are the A-Spec. So we will be getting one of them and we're gonna take it back home, and the one that we are purchasing is unclean, untouched, it's all original. It comes from the lot, and we're gonna go through the entire process on a 3 series chapters. So let's see if we can get somebody to help us here for a few seconds, and then we will select our vehicle and we go to do this brand new car prep detailing from Turbo Wax. All right, so we got Mike here. He's been great. Thank you to see you, Mike. And he has helping us to get to this journey with this video and this detailing job that we're gonna do in a new car prep. So Mike, tell us a little bit about the ride. What can you tell us about them?
So this is a line of 2021 Acura RDX A-Spec package. A-Spec packages come with pretty much a bunch of appearance package, including 20-inch wheels, black housing headlights, fog lights, and different interior, including leather and suede combination in interior. As it definitely is a very sporty package for you.
All right, awesome. Well, let's see which color we're gonna select. And Mike, thank you for having us.
Yes, sir. Always
and
pleasure.
we're looking forward to do this video and this detailing. All right, so we're back to part 2. So the part 2 of the new car detailing preparation. So first of all, shout out to our guys out there, the Honda Acura Classic, especially Mike. He was the facilitator for this purchase, the new Turbo Wax vehicle. So finally, I'm gonna turn this thing around and show you which color I decided. We're gonna go over the car, and then on the part 3, we're gonna go through the whole process. So let's do it up. Okay, got the paper out. So 2021 RDX A-Spec, and looking at the goodies, the tech package, Acura navigation system, blind spot information, rear cross traffic monitor, front and rear parking sensors, A-Spec, exclusive styling package, leather trim sport seats and ultra suede insert, front ventilated seats. That's a very nice to have AC. 20-inch wheels. I've been told that this Acura ELS Studio 3D is a real good stereo. So, and then some more other features there. However, after a few days, the truck doesn't have folding side mirrors, and I still thinking that this maneuvering of the display is a little complicated. So, but that's that. And supposed to be 22 miles on the fuel economy, which is not that great, and 24 and the ratings and whatnot. So the final assembly was in Ohio, and there's the price. But okay, no big deal. Okay, so unboxing, I got these floor mats, I got the shade for the windshield, set of all the hard mats, the one for the back one which I need, and the retractable shade for the back or cover. And then I have this for the, I assume it's for the front license plate. I won't be using that anytime soon. And then I have to find out this guy here where it goes. So let's see. All right, so I was trying to get this paper out in one piece to save it, but obviously I failed to that. So I will have to go over with something and take this out. All right, the final stretch. I was able to get the paper out with the turbo wax waterless wash. Just flip it into half an ounce into a 16-ounce bottle of water with the microfiber. This one is suede. I just spray a little bit there and I move it back and forth very gentle, get all the glue out, and there she is, beautiful. And I didn't scratch the glass, which was a concern. So that part is done. All right, since we're outside, beautiful weather and it's somewhat warm, I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and ceramic coat all the door jambs, and since I don't have to do any correction, and then I just concentrate on the outside. So the boosted, do it by hand and just simply put it just like you will do on the outside. Obviously I cleaned this whole surface already. I went behind it with the prep oil as usual, and I just applied this to all the surfaces. I will leave the doors open for a few more hours, and then I will have the door jambs and the interior completed, so that will look phenomenal, beautiful. Okay, so the interior is fully done, ceramic everything, and look at how rich this look now. So this is a prototype product that we've been working on for about a year and a half for the interior, and look at that. This product you can use as a topper on top of the Boosted 2.0. You can use it on the interior surfaces, you can use it on these painter surfaces. I did the speakers, handles, and everything else, and the seats, but this looks phenomenal. So now the fingerprints won't stick to it. And if you're new to this ceramic coating on the interiors, I can tell you that it's not as easy as it seems. You tend to get high spots, so you have to get used to. So I'm just going to illustrate here real quick how I do it, and I'm going to put it here some of the product, and then we're going to fold this over and just go over. You glide back and forth, and you got to make sure that you get it even, that you don't end it with high spots, and you will see like a shaded area. That's are your high spots. If you encounter that, just go over with some more. So now I have the surface protected, and then I'm going to maintain it with the interior dressing RP1, restores and protects. So everything leather, rubber, and plastic inside the vehicle, I can protect with that. But look at this, look at the vents. Came out phenomenal, beautiful, beautiful. I also did this part here, which is very important, and all the plastic trim and everything. So now all I have left is to do the inside of the windows, and then I can move to the outside portion of this 3-part video. Alright, so door jambs with the ceramic Boosted 2.0 all done, the plastics as I show you, and then everything. So to maintain the ceramic on the outside, we recommended the Turbo Wax Wick Detailer Plus. However, by the time that this video is live, you probably will be seeing our Turbo Wax Ceramic Spray TP1. So stay on the lookout for that. Look at this thing, looking beautiful right there. So I'm gonna let it sit now for some hours, but everything done on the interior. So with this, I will wrap this portion of the new car detailing. All right, so there you have it. That's the brand new 14 miles RDX A-Spec Acura done. And I took you through the entire journey in the inside. So now we're gonna close this video up and we're gonna go to part 3 on the outside, and we're gonna go over the entire thing. At the end, we're gonna put the ceramic boosted 2.0 from Turbo Wax. Anyways, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next one.